If you are wondering if there is a charger included inside the box of Redmi A7 Pro, then the answer actually depends where you live. Because, for example, in European countries and probably in other regions as well, the power adapter is unfortunately not included inside the box. You will not be able to find it. And generally speaking, the best way to check if in your case you will find the power adapter is by looking at the back of the box, because over here we can find this graphic information that clearly indicates if the power adapter is included or it's not. So you won't be surprised when you open the box. And generally speaking, if you live in a country where power adapters are still sold with smartphones, such as some Southeast Asian countries, then most likely you can expect the power adapter to be included. Otherwise, of course, you would have to purchase it separately. So, after all, the charger, whether it is included inside the box or not, is market dependent. So, ideally, you want to check the back of the box if you are not sure. And if you cannot check the back of the box, you can ask the person that is selling the phone to you to let you know. Leave a like and subscribe.